Hello everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. Tonight we will be unboxing from a company I've never ordered from before. It's royaldiamondpainting.com. It's a 40 by 50. It is a full square. I paid $19.58. I ordered it on November 26th. It shipped on December 4th, and I received it December 18th. So let's go ahead and open it up. If I can figure out how to get into this thing. It's really well taped together everywhere. But I think I just found a place. Yes, I did. We can get into it. All right. Okay, so box looks familiar. I've seen boxes like this before. It is open on this end. And there is the canvas with the core and the drills. So let's get right into this thing. Okay, box is empty. So I actually have 2 packs of drills. It does have an inventory sheet. The toolkit is a pair of tweezers, green boat, some decent baggies, chunk of wax, bent tweezers, and this does have a 6-placer on this end. Oh boy, they taped this up good. Oof, okay, I got it. Just kidding, there's another piece of tape and another one. So they've got this masking tape around it. In 3 different places. I just tore the cover sheet because it's stuck to the tape. Royal Diamond Painting. Oh, this one's wrapped quite tightly. We'll just kind of unwrap it a little bit here. Yeah, it's wrapped really tight. Holy heck. Maybe I should have waited till in the morning. Maybe I'm too tired for this. It's almost midnight here. And Taylor and I filmed the one earlier, and she was quite rambunctious, so I figured I would get her off to sleep, do some organization stuff, and then thought I'd film this before I went to bed. Really? Right as I get to the corner it rips. Okay. Let's open up this canvas, see what we've got. This is some really good glue, like even the cover paper sticks to it pretty well. Couple small bubbles, but nothing major at all. Alright, so there is the canvas. It's got a wolf in the middle and then phases of the moon around it, and it's in a dream catcher. The symbols look really clear. It is dark, like lots of dark colors, but I can read the symbols really easily. Down through here it's got some J's and U's that are a little rough, but nothing my light pad won't clear up for me. Wow. Anybody else as impressed by that as I just was? Alright. Got it covered. Open up this side. Really? Well, there's the top of that. Can't pull that down anymore because I just ripped it. All right. Yeah, I'm going to take it off from the other side. But there's the top of it. I'm going to flip this cover paper around so it rips on the outside. Alright, there we go. That's a little bit better. And the different moon phases. Sorry if you can hear people laughing in the background. My brother and my son are watching wrestling, and apparently that's comical. Okay, so that was 50 by 40. 40 by 50, full square. I gotta find the ripped side, so I make sure I put it on that on the outside. Right there. Okay. Nice. Nowhere near, I'm just gonna stick it to it. Nope. So close, but so far away. Does anybody else hold their breath when they're putting that stuff down? Ugh. Missed a spot. One more try, and if I don't get it, we're moving on. Right. Okay, so 50 by 40. You can go ahead and open the drills. And it shows that somebody has done inventory with all the check marks. It's 50 colors. I will do inventory on my own just to make sure. Yeah, this is square. There's a nice, bright, pretty yellow. Just wanted to take a quick look at some of the drills. I see quite a bit of trash in these. So, I don't know, we'll have to see about that. Only 55 310s, so I get one little bag. Although I get 37 bags of 939. And it looks like a bunch of 823. 31 bags of it. There's some pretty colors in here. Some teals, browns, yellows, oranges. These bags are really sealed shut. Let's just spread these out and take a look at some of the, oh, well, yep. There's all the 939s. Or if not all of them, a great big chunk of them. Some 37.99s. 38.34. Some yellows. Blues. 902. 838. Yeah. So there is some of the colors that come in this one. I will do inventory off camera. And if there's anything missing, then I'll let you know down in the description. Here is what it's supposed to look like when it's completed. So we'll see how much that actually looks like it when it's done. RoyalDiamondPainting.com. I have no experience with them at all, so we'll let you know how that goes when I get to working on it. If I have any issues, I'll do inventory off camera, like I said. If I have any problems with my inventory, I'll just come back on, do another clip, and let you know what the problems are. If not, then that would be the end of this video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down in the comments section below. I thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.